guys, hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I have a mystery bag. I don't know what it is because it came like this. This is the Kokie Cosmetics, not Kaiko, whatever the other one is. This is a affordable brand and they have a lot of stuff to offer. I really like their eyelashes that I tried, so I really hope another pair is in here. This box retails for 25 bucks. It's supposed to have $50 worth of products. So everything that I get in here, I will link down below, and the prices and the totals of this box if it reached its total. Okay, they also have another one that has like 2 different variations. That's $15 that retails for, that has a retail over 34 bucks. So let's see what's in here. To be honest, I was kind of hoping for a palette in here. Don't know if it's going to be a palette in here because look how small it is. But this is what it looks like inside. It comes bundled up like this. By the way, this is the deluxe one. Again, they have the other ones that are 15. This is 25. Okay, it's a bag because everything is like all wrapped in tissue paper. What I really hope I don't get is like a non-wearable shade for me, like the shade I got from Ipsy, because I really want to try their liquid lipstick formula. By the way, I just filmed like a whole review video. Spoiler alert, I really like this tinted moisturizer. I look crazy. Oh, by the way, I changed my hoodie from there because it's nighttime and I'm going to take my face off. And this is my PJs hoodie for tonight. So the first product is the Kokie Duo Metallic Shadows in the shade, can I focus? Beloved. That reminds me of like, what's up my belovies? Aww, I miss her. I gotta start watching her videos again. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, this is their Sheer Shine lipstick, Pure Brilliance lipstick in the shade 32 Wild Honey. It looks like a nudish shade and I can't wait to try this. Here's what the shade looks like. Here's a swatch of the shade and here's a swatch of it on my lips. It has like glitters on it. It's a metallic, that's why. Okay, so far we're doing good with that lipstick. The metallic duo I'm not gonna swatch because I may or may not be giving that away or, you know, putting it on Poshmark, so I might not like it. So okay, I could always use these type of brushes. This is a eyeshadow brush to pack on shimmer shades or to cut your crease with concealer. I could always use another brush. Okay, the next product is, oh yeah, we have a lip pout. Oh my bad, it's a lip powder, P-O-U-D-R-E, a liquid matte powder in the shade Infamous. It's a nude. Yes, here it is, and here is on my lips. It's a little too pinky for my taste, but hey, I like the way the formula looks, feels on my lips. I will probably get it in a different color or just blend this in with a brown lip liner. Probably blend this in with a brown lip liner. This is something I know I'm not going to use. This is the Velvet Smooth Lip Liner in Nude Pink. I don't use lip liners unless it's a dark berry or a chocolatey brown, so no. The next thing is the eyeshadow palette in Classic Romance. That's the, wow, it looks like a whole brown palette. It looks like something that I already probably have in my collection, but I do want to try out their formula, so I am going to use it and I'm going to try it. I'm probably going to do a review on it too, and my like mini reviews, not just like a one thing review like my weekly reviews, so stay tuned. Oh, definitely, because I got that. I'm definitely not using the metallic shadow now. I'm probably going to be selling that in like a little bundle, a mystery bundle on Poshmark. The last product in it, We got blushes. Yes, you know I love blush. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got blushes. Thank you. We got Blush Up blushes. 2 out of the 3 shades I will use, and other I will use as eyeshadow. I'm so excited. Okay, to sum up, we have the Kokie Duo Metallic Shadow. You know what? I am going to use this because this like bottom shade could be used as a highlight. And if I'm going to do like a whole full face, lips, eyes, and blush, and this is going to be a highlight. Kokie Duo, the eyeshadow palette, the blush trio, which 2 of the shades I could use, so I'm excited. A liquid matte lipstick, which I can blend in with a brown lip liner, and then this metallic shade that actually looks really good. A eyeshadow brush that I would definitely be using, and a lip liner that I won't. Overall, was it worth 25 bucks? I will know after I do a total and after I put that down below. So go check the description box to see if I really like everything else, if it's really worth the value. But out of everything, I only cannot use one product. I would not use one product out of my own preference. So because of that, it is kind of worth it, and especially I always wanted to try more from the brand, so it gives me a chance to try more from the brand. Anyways, leave your comments down below to see how much did it, you know, really retail for, and what's your thoughts? Was it a good box? Like, I don't know, bag, box, I don't but yeah, anyways, have a good night, have a great day whenever you're watching this, and it's good night for me, so bye y'all. See, it looks better like this, like, yes, but I can't take me seriously like this. Like, you gotta go like